Get ready, SUV fans. Toyota just dropped a bombshell. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 has arrived with a complete redesign. And it's tougher, bolder, and more futuristic than ever before. Want to see what's new? Stick around because we've got all the details. A completely new look. Toyota has reinvented the RAV4 for 2026, ditching the softer curves for a boxier, more rugged design. The windshield is now more upright, and the rear is straighter, giving you more cargo space without sacrificing style. At the back, the taillights are wider and rectangular, making the SUV look more planted and aggressive on the road. And from the side, the upright rear pillars suggest extra room for passengers and gear. Futuristic front-end design. Up front, the RAV4 takes inspiration from the Toyota Crown, featuring slim LED headlights and a full-width light bar above the grille. Below, a massive bold grille gives it an intimidating presence, perfect for those who want a compact SUV that still looks tough and capable. Hybrid-only power. Here's the biggest change. No more gas-only Raise-Ziv Joy 4. Toyota is going all in on hybrids for 2026, offering two versions. A standard hybrid for maximum efficiency, a plug-in hybrid PHEV for even more electric-only driving. This shift proves Toyota's commitment to performance plus sustainability, making the RAV4 a smarter choice than ever. Still, the adventurous RAV4s you love. Don't worry, Toyota kept the trapezoidal wheel arches, reminding us this SUV is built for adventure. The redesigned taillights now wrap around the corners, adding stability and a premium touch. So, what do you think of the 2026 Toyota RAV4? Does the bold new look win you over, or do you prefer the older design? Drop a comment below, and remember, subscribe, like, and share to keep up with the latest car reveals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.